Hello guys, welcome back. It's NF10 but for today's video, here going to show you how to fix SteelSeries GG not opening. Also, before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So, you might be wondering why the SteelSeries GG here is not opening. Well, there are a few things that you may want to understand and you need to do here. Now, sometimes if you're trying opening an app here, this does not only apply for SteelSeries GG, by the way. Sometimes the app itself might be stuck on boot mode, which in this case, you won't be able to use it as long as it's stuck in that mode or in that specific, this case, cycle. So all you need to do is you want to go ahead and open up your task manager. So to be speaking, you can go to your search here, just type in task manager. You should see in here, you could go and open it up. But a shortcut I like using is by pressing Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, and you should see this option here. Now what you need to do is you want to go and look for SteelSeries GG or something similar to that. And if you do see it in here, all you need to do is you want to go and right click on it and just click on End Task. Now if you have or you see multiple instances of SteelSeries GG here, do that for every instance that you see here until it's fully closed. Now once you've done that, you can go and close this one, open up SteelSeries GG, and see if that actually helps. Now if that doesn't help you, the best and final thing that you could try doing here is to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. So sometimes the installation itself may have, in this case, been set up properly. So uninstalling and reinstalling again, make sure and ensures that you are, in this case, you have these files and it's installed properly. So you want to go to search here, just type in uninstall. You should see add or remove programs, so open it up. And from here, you want to go to search apps and just basically type in SteelSeries GG. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on the three dot option on the right side here. Click on install. Once you've done that, install SteelSeries GG again and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF10 Inspo. Thank you for watching.